Downsizing for a long-time family home is never just about moving things. It's decades of memories, milestones, and meaning, and it can be incredibly emotional and overwhelming for everyone involved. In this project, we help a wonderful couple transition from their 2,300 square foot, 4-bedroom home into a senior living community. And like many moves, we began in the garage because that's where the weight of it all often shows up first. What makes this work different is understanding that every object tells a story. There can be grief in letting things go. So we move slowly, respectfully, and always with permission. We never discard anything without the guidance of the homeowner or the person entrusted to make decisions. Our process is simple and supportive. Step 1 is sorting. We group like with like, tools with tools, keepsakes, memorabilia. We create clear areas for trash, recycling, donations, e-waste, has materials, and things that need special handling. And often there's an unsure category. These are items that the family wants time to review or things children and relatives may want to claim before the final decisions are made. We also think ahead. Sometimes our clients are moving into a smaller temporary space or waiting on a larger unit, so certain items may need short-term storage until there's room. Step 2 in this process is review. We invite the decision maker back into the space for a high-level walkthrough. Seeing things grouped together often makes choices easier and clearer, and many times it becomes easier to release. Step 3 is letting go. Once we have direction, we remove what can leave the property immediately, arranging for donation, recycling, or proper disposal. Step 4 is organizing. In downsizing projects, organizing often means preparing items carefully for packing, transport, or storage so the next home feels calm and intentional. We also look for ways to honor our client's wish and that useful items go to a good home instead of just going into landfill. So wherever possible, we help them facilitate sales or give away items through the community channels. In this case, building supplies and gardening materials were quickly rehomed to neighbors who needed them. We do this by taking photos and posting items online through either Facebook Marketplace or Nextdoor. And whilst we're on site, we try and arrange for either quick cash sales with potential buyers, or sometimes if they're items they might not have a huge resale value, we'll put them out for free. This makes our clients really happy because at least they know their items are going to have a second life and they're going to a good home. For larger items, we often coordinate with donation partners like Habitat for Humanity's Restore, which helps fund affordable housing while keeping quality goods out of landfill. One of our core values at Organize My Place is stewardship. We see our role as being of service to our clients, to families, and to the community, helping items move on with purpose while also minimizing hauling and costs whenever we can. So if you're supporting a parent or loved one through a transition like this, please know that you don't have to carry this alone. Downsizing can feel big and scary, and it's a lot to manage emotionally and logistically. Our team is here to guide you with compassion, structure, and respect for every step of the way. Reach out to Organize My Place to schedule a consult. We'd be honored to help.